Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I have another video for you where I'm going to show you how to check your pending case with immigration or USCIS, how to send a message to USCIS to contact them, how to reach out to them if you have a question, how to message them directly, and then how to fix any passport issues that you have with your form I-134A. Without further ado, let's get to it. Pending case. This is how you check your pending case. You have to go under your account. You're gonna click on my, well, of course you have to be signed in first. Okay, make sure you're signed in. You're gonna go under my account, you click on inbox, no sorry, you click on profile, and then this page will pop up with the actual case number that you have. I'm going to show you how to reach out to USCIS with your account, how to send an email, a message to them or email. And then as you can see here, this is pretty straightforward. Once you log into your account, right, you have to log into myuscis.gov, and then you click on inbox. When you click on inbox, it will take you right here. This is your inbox, the time you created your account. So you will see that they send you a message there. And then once you click on my account inbox, there are two ways you can do it. You can click on under my account and then inbox, right? And then when you click on here, this message will pop up. You click on new message. The other way to do it, you can click on resources. You click on send a message, right? You click on send a message, and then this will take you to the exact same page as you see here when you click on inbox, right? So the next one, once you click on that, you have to click on new message, and then this page will show up. And again, this is about the form I-134A beneficiary. So, and as you can see here, you can even correct your passport number by sending a message. This is pretty good, pretty straightforward, very easy to go. And then you can ask, they're gonna ask you here, what do you need help with? You can click on subject. So you can do the case already filed online, get an answer, general questions, making a payment, or in other technical issues, right? So for me, it's gonna be a case already filed online. And then if you click on here, this will have all your case receipt number, right? So for me, I have, I think I have 3 right now. So I'm going to click on it. You will see that it will pop up the actual receipt number that I have, and then I'm going to type the email in here. Once I type the email, and I'm going to send the message, right? This is how you send a message to USCIS about your case. Or this is how you check your case status online. The case status is what step that USCIS or immigration has already taken into your application to see where we at, if it's already approved, if it was received, if it's already approved, and then where they at, what is the next step, do they need something from you. But again, it's pretty easy. You have to go to my USCIS. You're gonna go to egov.uscis.gov case status, and again I will add a link to this video under the video description, right? So you all can have access to it. So you're gonna plug in your case status right here. I already have one. So right here, here's in the clinic example. I'm gonna use this one right here, and then I'm going to type it right here, right? And then once I have this piece of it, and then I'm going to check the case status. Is going to tell me where they at with this. Let me add a real one. Is an example of this, and you click on check status. It's pretty simple. They said, hey, this was received on that date, and then January 16, that's when I filed for this case. And then the support declaration receipt number, that's the receipt number right here. Yeah. This is how you fix a beneficiary passport number step by step under your USCIS account. So this is how this message is going to look like once you open it. You're gonna go under my account. Again, you have to log in into your account to do that, right? You can go to resources, send a message, or you can go under my account. You're gonna click on inbox. When you click on inbox, the page will show up right here, will appear, and then you click on new message. And again, this is the same way you send a message to USCIS as well. So as you can see here, it said important notes for I-434 beneficiary, we need to correct your passport number. That's as simple as it is, right? You have to select a case number that's already filed online, and then you collect your receipt number, and then you send the message. So this is the subject line. You click on this part, and then the case receipt number will be here. You can just select one. Once you click on here, I have many of them. So just so I can show you the video, very simple. You click on this one and you type the message. Simple it is. I need to change a passport number, but you guys can be more formal. Passport number. Passport number. Very easy. So a new passport number is gonna be like this, whatever that is, but very simple, right? And then you click on send. When you send it out, and then they will fix this issue for you, and then you will be good to go. Just wait for them, to say, hey, we fixed out the passport issue that you had, and then yeah, you are good to go, right? So very easy, very simple, step by step. Um, that's how you change your request to change the passport number on a case with USCIS.